magic in me.
The Stanford-Binet Intelligence Scale was designed to test children in 4 specific areas: verbal reasoning, abstract visual reasoning, quantitative reasoning, and short-term memory. One of its developers, L. M. Terman, also introduced the intelligence quotient, commonly known as IQ. Okay, student, are you ready for your Stanford-Binet Intelligence Scale?
Uh-huh.
First, let's test your verbal reasoning. What does the phrase, "the dog barked" mean?
Woof woof.
Very well. Now, let's test your abstract visual reasoning. What is this a picture of?
A bunny.
Okay. Now, let's test your quantitative reasoning. What is 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2, carry the 6 minus the 8, 19.
Okay. For the final part of the Stanford-Binet intelligence test, let's test your short-term memory. Seth, I have 4 dogs and 6 cats. How many dogs do I have?
A blue duck.
When testing intelligence of adults, you can use the world-renowned Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale devised by David Wechsler. The main focus of the test is to examine how an adult handles life situations. Now let's see how you handle life situations. Seth, you are sitting in traffic and a guy cuts you off. What do you do?
Well, honestly, Sir Duke Ben, I would give him the finger.
This test can also be applied to children to test their perceptual reasoning. Now, let's test your perceptual reasoning. What are these 3 colors?
Green, orange, and yellow.
In order to save time, group tests were designed. Instead of one person testing another person, booklets of questions are given out to multiple people at once. One advantage of group tests is that administrators' bias is eliminated. Okay, student, here's your test. You'll have 30 minutes to complete it. Performance tests are basically puzzles. These tests cut out the use of words. An example of this is the Porteous maze, which is a series of mazes in which the test taker traces through the maze without lifting his pencil. Now let's test your performance of filling out a maze. Here you go, student. Culture fair tests also reduce word use, but in comparison to performance tests, downplay skills and values. The Good Enough Harris drawing test asks the test taker to draw a person to the best of their ability. The scores are determined by features of the drawing. Now we're administering the Good Enough Harris drawing test. Your directions are: draw Ben.
What?
Biological measures of intelligence are testing a relationship between intelligence and sizes of the biological area. Scientists discovered a small but positive relationship between brain size and intelligence. These measures usually show small but positive correlations. Now, let's measure your head and see if we can find a correlation to your intelligence. Head is this big. Your intelligence, probably this big.
If everybody had a nose.